Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call